Hi there. Today I will show you how you can manage icons using Framer CMS. At first you need the collection of your icons, which icon you want to add it on your website. So here you can see that here have one icon but two different colors. So here is the social copy icon and social copy blue icons, and here is the social email black SVG icon, and here is the blue icon. So that's it. So you can at first you need to create your folder, which folder you can populate with your exact icon. Okay, then you can go to your Framer account. Now you can follow my step to create this exciting things. Okay. So click on that, first click on CMS and hit the click icon, then I can call it icons list, icon list. Edit fields, I don't need any title slack. So now you can change icon using this toggle. Okay, that's now you can see uh, I can create the toggle option where you can also can change the color. Okay, so variant and create variable. So this is icon name, and I can create option, call this one is color, yes, black, and BLE. Okay, this one for black, and I toggle it. If I go to blue, then visible, set variable, icon component, select the color, equals and black for black. Okay, and this one for blue icon. I feel this one is blue icon. Blue icon. Okay, now I can again set variable color equals blue. Okay, now you can change the color also. So here is the thing. So if you can if you follow my uh, uh, work, then you can also manage your icons using the CMS. Have a good luck. Bye.